Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a sound test for the AMX One X earphones. Now these are very small tiny earphones with a lot of volume and bass. So this is really good in most of the scenarios. Like this is one earphone which will fit everyone. So if you have small ears, it's going to fit you. If you have big ears, it's going to fit you, because all that you have to change is the earbud. So very nice in that department. Now let's go ahead, test it in different scenarios. The only thing I could not do in this video was the bike sound test, because before I could complete that, I actually lost the earphone. So it was so small, I misplaced it. Now I don't know where it is. So I've been waiting for a long time and people have been asking me for the sound test, so I'm publishing it without the bike test. So but let me tell you now itself, even in the wind sound, it was not that bad. I have tested it before. I have spoken to people and the sound was good. So go ahead, listen to the sound. The only thing that you will notice would be the volume. Actually, we'll talk about that later on. Go ahead and see the sound test.
Okay, so we're walking inside the mall now. There are a lot of people, holidays going on, so a lot of people are children, a lot of sound. Hopefully you can hear me well. Now the mic is over here, so the entire sound that you're hearing is from this mic. Okay, so we are in the metro station now, so I'm going to ride a metro. Let's see how much can you hear me. Now outside you should be able to hear me better because there's no echo inside the metro. So let's go catch a metro and then see how much would you be able to hear me. Okay, so we are riding the metro now. The mic is over here, so it's not too far, but generally the mics are situated over here. So I don't know how much would you be able to hear me, but generally in the metro you can't hear much because of the echo that the metro creates, and there's a sound in the metro which kind of eliminates your own sound. So you would have seen the other videos of the metro test that I've done, and the best of the best earphones also can't perform that great in the metro. So let's see how much would be able to hear me in. Okay, so we're doing the traffic test now. Now the mic on this is over here, so I'm in Brigade Road. A lot of traffic, as you can see behind me, in front of me. So a lot of traffic. Hopefully you can hear me well. Now the mic is situated a little low. Normally you see the mics are generally over here, a little bit higher near the chin, but this is a little low. I don't know how well the mic is going to perform, but let's see. You should be able to hear me well. Not much of wind sound, but a lot of honking sound.
Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now I was actually pretty surprised by the sound, the mic sound quality. Now the earphone sound quality is good anyways. Now one good thing is it does not get a lot of the background sound. It does get a little bit, but not too much. So that's going to be a good thing. Now it's going to be a earphone for people who want something which is really small, which is portable. You do not need to worry about this fitting anyone. Like if you're going to gift something to earphone for someone, this is going to be one earphone where you do not have to worry whether it's going to fit them or not, because this can fit any ear, small ear to big ears. It can fit any of them. So it's a very good gift option also. So that's basically it. If you need any more advice, any more questions answered about the AMX earphone, do comment and I will be replying back to it. I do check my Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger regularly, so a lot of people contact me over there with their problems and I resolve them. So if you need any help with that, you can message me over there. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.